Hey everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. I'm so excited for today's video because today I am working with Beautiful Earth Boutique. They have so graciously sent me another advent calendar. This is their 12 Nights of Enchantment advent calendar where you get to pick 12 pieces, kind of like early Christmas. I think that this is like such a great gift for a family member or friend or even for yourself. They have literally over 700 jewelry designs, so there's really something for everyone. Every piece is plated with 18 karat gold, 100% waterproof and tarnish free. All the pieces are also hypoallergenic, which is really good for people with sensitive skin. And right now they're doing free shipping with this advent calendar. So if you want to try it, now would be a really good time. I did get to select these pieces, but I'm so excited to see them in person and I can't wait to unbox them. If you're interested in any of these pieces, make sure you check the description box. I'm going to link everything down below. Me personally, I like to pick up pieces that I know I'm going to wear time and time again throughout the seasons, pretty much all year round. So make sure you check out Beautiful Earth Boutique because they really do have so many pieces for every type of jewelry lover. Make sure you check the links down in the description box. Okay, let's go ahead and get started. If you are new here, please make sure you subscribe so you never miss a video. And if you're a returning subscriber, thank you so much for coming back. Here's the box that it came in. Ooh, so pretty. So sweet. I love this. Thank you. I'm gonna open it up. This is so fun. Okay, let's go ahead and start opening these. Here's number one. This is called the Twisted Silver Bracelet. It is made from stainless steel. I thought initially it was gonna be a little bulky, but it's actually the perfect like width, not too heavy. I don't own anything like this, but they have definitely been very trendy, and I just think that it's like a really cool piece to add also to my silver collection. This is the first piece and I am literally obsessed. Moving on to number two. Oh my god, these are so cute. These are called the Eternity Hoop Earrings. They're just these really cute hoops, but they have crystals on them, so they're a little bit more elevated than your standard hoop. I love these for stacking. You can like mix and match them with so many pieces. That's why I really love these small ones. They're super versatile. Number three. Oof, these next ones are stunning. They're called the Sophia Twisted Hoop Earrings. They are literally intertwined with each other, but they're like one solid piece, and then the back of it is like this. I just think these earrings are so chic. I'm actually gonna try them on now because I just want to see what they look like, but I can definitely see myself wearing these for a little date night or like a dinner, some event with my girlfriends. This is what they look like on, and truthfully, like, I'm obsessed. I already know these are gonna be some of my go-to. Number four. Oh my god. Okay, these next ones I thought were so fun. Look at these. These are called Tara Silver Chunky Hoop Earrings. They're super chunky. I'm obsessed, and like I said, I've been trying to find more silver pieces to add to my collection, and these are like the perfect everyday wear. I'm obsessed with the shape, the width of it. They're not too big, not too small, like just literally the right size. Perfect. They also sell these in gold, so if you're more of a gold girly, literally the same earring, just in gold. Moving on to number five. Next ones are super chic, and I have been eyeing these for a little while. They're called the Nova Gold Earrings. They literally have these little like ridges to like create this fine texture. These are definitely also like going out earrings. These are perfect for some kind of like special occasion or a really nice dinner. I'm absolutely dying to style these. I'm actually gonna try one now. Oh yeah, they're so nice. Elegant, super chic, and they're super lightweight. Like you would think that they would be really heavy. They're not. Number six, another pair of earrings. Clearly, I'm a big fan of earrings. These are called the Tyra Gold Earrings. This shape so elegant. I think that they're so fun, and again, a really great going out earring, something to elevate your outfit. I'm obsessed. Number seven. Now these I really needed because I actually lost my other silver hoops, and I was so sad, but I'm so glad that I was able to find a new pair. These are definitely everyday earrings that I can wear with literally anything. I'm slowly becoming a silver girly. Silver jewelry is so cool, and it gives you like a different look. I'm actually gonna swap them out now since I'm wearing a silver bracelet. They're so simple and so cute. If you are trying to get into silver, I would suggest doing a silver hoop like this just to get started, and then you can kind of venture out. Okay, moving on to number eight. We are more than halfway there. So obsessed with. I picked up this stunning ring. It's called Aquamarine Wrap Silver Ring. It has two gemstones, one being black and the other is this like really pretty teal teal color. Normally my rings, they're all like gold and dainty, but this one caught my eye. It like wraps around your fingers so that way you can close it or open it in case you want to put it somewhere where it's a little bit bigger. We're just gonna leave her there for now. Number 9. This next one is called the Ava Gold Twist Bracelet. Honestly obsessed with just how simple yet elegant this one looks. It is like a duo crossover situation. Cuffs are having their moment right now and I am here for it. She's literally so cute, and of course these are super easy to stack. You can get another bracelet, maybe like something similar, or even like a little bead one I think would be really cute to just like create a really nice stack. Number 10. We're almost there. Oh my god, this next one I am probably the most excited about because I'm just obsessed with this like style gemstone gold ring vibe. It's called Green Arizona Crystal Ring. Obviously it's green, but they also have it in purple. I already know how I'm going to stack this ring. I just know this is one that I'm not going to want to take off. Number 11. This one is so cute. It's called Kia Gold Layered Bracelet, and I'm just obsessed with like how dainty this is. It looks like you're wearing two, but it's actually just one. They do also have it in silver, and they offer it as an anklet too. You could do one or the other, or you could do both, but I love this. I can't wait to put it on. So cute. And last but not least, number 12. This is called the Naya Bead Gold Chain Necklace. I love these little spheres. They're so small and dainty. I'm gonna put it on now so we can see what it looks like, but I honestly know that this is another one that I'm not gonna wanna ever take off. And see how small and dainty it is? These are my favorite kind of necklaces, especially because they're very easy to stack. You could wear a snake chain necklace, you can wear something a little bit more bold with like a pendant or a pearl, and it just kind of goes well with so many other different pieces. Those are all the pieces that I have. I hope that you guys enjoyed. I'm gonna link all of them down below. Don't forget to check out the description box if you're interested in any of these pieces or in Beautiful Earth Boutique in general. Subscribe, like, and hit that notification bell to see more, and I will see you here next time. Bye.